off, the first app I'm introducing to you today is called InstaGC. It involves the Instagram app and it works both for Android and iOS devices. You just have to go to instagc.com and create an account, and just like normal sites, you'll need to input your name, email, and password. To check the legitimacy of this app, go to the Facebook page of InstaGC, which you can do by just searching InstaGC. Right on their Facebook page, they're proudly showing you all the payment transaction proof, and they're super transparent about it. You'll see posts congratulating users for redeeming $66, $100, $80, and thousands of receipts, proving that people can really earn here on InstaGC. Normally, they'll send you earnings to your PayPal account or make a direct deposit straight into your bank account. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account or bank account, you can also redeem your money as a free Amazon gift card. You can visit their page and see it for yourself. They'll show you all the payment proofs because there are literally hundreds and thousands of them. As you can see here, you can earn points for things that you already normally do online. Like for example, you can complete some simple surveys by just clicking a few buttons and you can get paid. And if you have 10 or 20 minutes a day, you can simply search on the web. I'll give you a special tip to make more money. I personally prefer a certain method, which is watching videos, because what you can do is simply click on the play button and let the video run in the background, and then you can open up multiple tabs to watch a lot of videos at the same time. On top of that, when you're watching the videos, you can go on to do some surveys or search on the web, and that's how you can build multiple streams of income now. If you want to download and install this app, all you have to do is join InstaGC using Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Moving on to the second app, the name of this app is App Karma. Here you can earn rewards by playing with this app. Once you've accumulated enough points on this app, you can redeem them on PayPal or various top brand gift cards. So all you gotta do is search for App Karma on the Google Play Store and other platforms. Once you install this app, you can instantly get 300 points for free, and every 100 points actually converts into $1, which means you'll get a welcome gift of $3 for free without doing anything. Next, the main task in App Karma is to install the suggested games and play with them. That's easy, right? If you want to multiply your earnings and make more money on App Karma, you can also refer other people to this app. You can simply share your invite link or your referral code with your family, friends, and other acquaintances, and you can earn 30% of what your referrals earn now. For example, if you refer to one person, if they make $10, you can earn $3 free without doing anything. And that's like magic. Make sure you check in every single day, and once you log in, you can start enjoying different games while earning. On top of that, every single time you complete a certain achievement or once you finish a certain task, you're going to receive different badges, and all these badges will help you level up to increase your reward level. Every single time you earn all of these badges, that's going to give you an extra 12.5% of the bonus, and you can literally multiply your earnings. So make sure you check out all the achievement badges and get as many as possible to increase your earnings in App Karma. Next, the third app for today is CashKik. You can go to CashKik.com, and once again, on this website, they're not using any point system. They straight away pay you cash. So basically, cash is the greatest reward they can give. They'll deposit all the cash into your account if you do tasks. So once again, on this website, you can answer different surveys, you can find different great deals, you can watch videos, you can surf the web, and it's basically very similar to InstaGC. But this CashKik app is going to pay you even more money compared to InstaGC. Once again, I want you to focus on watching videos because that's going to pay you the most amount of money. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just put in your email address and password and click on the Get Started Now button to get your cash rolling in. Earning app number 4 is called SuperPaid. Now you can go to superpaid.me, and basically you can make money online with free paid surveys today, just like other apps. And they have really fast payment. Within 24 hours, you can receive your money, and they have really low cash out. You can work from home and you can decide how much time you'll spend once you join today for free. You will instantly get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. You can get paid and cash out your earnings in many different payment options like money, gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and even Bitcoin. Like InstaGC, they're super transparent about all their payment proof. You can see all the members' names, all the usernames of those who've received payments, and they'll show you all the payments. Register for free now. Just fill up your personal details, your mailing address, and you should also enter your payment details so you can get paid. Once you complete all the tasks, you can just read the terms and conditions, agree to them, and there, you have your free account. Moving on to our final app, which is Smart App, you can go to smartapp.io, and once game, basically you can install and download this app for free on your mobile phone. You can sign up for a free account and take a very simple survey to make sure that you're getting accepted. Once you're qualified, all you gotta do is keep your device connected, make sure you turn on your mobile phone every single day, and you'll receive free walls and free cash on your mobile phone. That's it for today's video.